Storekid M18 Radio plus TPT Cart Bundle Review, the cheeky upgrade your site needs. Yo, picture this. You're halfway through framing a house, radio blasting in one corner, spare batteries scattered, and you're doing the job site shuffle every 10 minutes just to keep the tunes alive and the crew happy. Total chaos, right? Ever felt like you're herding cats while swinging a hammer? Drop your worst "where is my damn radio" story in the comments. I am reading every single one. That heavy, chaotic feeling when deadlines are breathing down your neck and your expensive Milwaukee radio is one bad bump from becoming a very costly brick? Dust, mud, constant moving, it is exhausting. But here's the thing. There is a calmer, stupidly simple way to keep the music pumping, batteries charging, and your sanity intact without babysitting gear all day. Then I grabbed the Storekid Milwaukee M18 radio cart setup with the TPT Premium folding cart, and honestly, it felt like someone finally used their brain. The radio locks in so perfectly, it feels factory-made for the cart. Nothing rattles, nothing shifts, even when I am bombing over gravel or busted concrete. Every button, every port, the entire battery base stays completely accessible. Those big pneumatic tires laugh at mulch, grass, curbs, you name it. I routinely pile 2 extra high-output batteries, my tool pouch, and a cooler on there, and it never complains. 300-plus pound capacity, my ass, it feels like more. And when the day's done, one pull on the handle and the whole thing collapses flat enough to slide behind the seat of my truck like it is hiding. Last month, we were 3 floors up on a gut-to-studs remodel, running behind, guys everywhere. Instead of the usual screaming match over who moved the radio, we just rolled the entire damn operation with us. Music followed the work, batteries stayed hot, and nobody wasted half an hour playing hide-and-seek with gear. I actually exhaled for the first time all week. Here is how it actually plays out. You save 5 to 10 trips a day. You stay in the zone longer. Work gets cleaner and faster. You finish on time or early. Crew stays happier. You get better callbacks and bigger jobs. That is not hype. That is math. Pros are legit obsessed. A commercial electrician I know has run his for 6 months straight. Radio still looks brand new, no scratches, and every guy on his crew bought their own after seeing it. Big power tool reviewer called it the most thoughtful job site organization I have seen in years. Influencer with 200,000 followers said he does not know how he ever worked without it. Even the anal retentive industry analyst geeked out about how it turns the M18 radio from a stationary charger into a true power management node. Yeah, I get the objection. Do I really need another thing? But when setup is literally tool-free, and it protects a $250 radio while saving your back daily, it pays for itself in like 2 weeks. Seriously, thousands of trades are switching to this exact setup and will not shut up about it in the comments and Facebook groups. What is stopping you? Tell me below. Imagine showing up, unfolding the cart once, and having music, charging, and all your daily batteries rolling with you wherever the work goes. Organized, calm, zero chaos. No more yelling for the radio, no dead phones, no sore back from lugging. Just better days and faster finishes. Join the electricians, framers, landscapers, and garage heroes already using the Storekid Milwaukee M18 radio cart and actually enjoying the job site again. Link in description and pinned comment. Grab it, thank me later.